Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm walking you through a complete, up-to-date guide on how to use ClickUp Sprints perfect for 2024 and beyond. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enable and use sprints in ClickUp to organize your work, boost your team's productivity, and keep your projects on track. Whether you're brand new to Agile workflows or just need help configuring sprints in ClickUp, I'm here to make the process super clear. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your ClickUp workspace. If you're already logged in, this just means clicking into the main dashboard where all your projects, lists, and tasks live. Your workspace is basically your command center, and you need to make sure you're working in the right one, especially if you belong to multiple organizations or teams inside ClickUp. Double-check you've selected the exact workspace where you want to use sprints. This will prevent any confusion later, trust me. Once you're sure you're in the right spot, look for the Settings button. Usually this is toward the lower left-hand corner. Give it a click. In Settings, you'll see an option for spaces. Spaces are a bit like folders or categories for your main types of work. Think marketing, development, or client projects. Now choose the specific space where you want sprints enabled. For example, maybe you want to add sprints to your software development space, but leave your HR space untouched. Within that space, you'll notice a section called ClickApps. ClickApps are extra features you can turn on inside ClickUp, like time tracking or automation. Here you'll see the sprint icon, usually the second item in the list. Don't rush here, just click through and make sure you enable ClickApps fully, which allows you to use all their goodies inside your workflows. Now click on Sprint and this will bring you to the App Center. If you're not seeing Sprint pop up instantly, just type Sprint in the search bar. Two things matter here: that both sprint points and Sprint are enabled. Sprint points let you estimate task complexity, super helpful when you're planning your sprint, while the Sprint app itself allows you to actually organize tasks into timed sprints. Once you've double-checked that those are enabled, feel free to close out of that tab and return to your ClickUp homepage. Sometimes, setting up new features can take a few seconds to load, so don't worry if things look like they're thinking for a moment. Back at your homepage, navigate to your personal productivity area. This is great for keeping your own work organized, but you can apply these steps in team lists too. Click into To-Do, and this is where you see your columns set up. Now go ahead and add a new column. Type Sprint into the column name and make sure to enable it. Adding this column is important. It's how you'll visually organize and manage sprint work right inside your task lists. And just like that, you're set up to add sprints to your tasks. Whether you're planning a week-long feature sprint or a month-long content push, tasks within this column can be assigned, tracked, and moved across sprints. It's a bit like giving your workflow a fast lane, so you and your team can really focus on what's coming up next. If any part feels confusing or doesn't work like you expect, don't sweat it. ClickUp updates its interface often, but these steps should keep you moving forward. If you have questions or need troubleshooting tips, just drop a comment below. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on guides, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments. I love hearing how you use these tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.